back to our channel. We're sort of a little bit in, we're sort of not in lockdown, but we are sort of in lockdown.
Yeah, we're sort of like there's nothing to do even if we wanted to do something.
Yeah,
so...
like everything, we've just been, obviously everyone's aware that we've just been advised to sort of keep our distance from people and things, aren't we? So we decided we're trying to find things to do around the house, aren't we?
Yeah, we thought we might as well use this time to sort of go through stuff and sort of
just get to stuff that we wanted to do before, and we haven't really had much time to do.
We've been distracted, like. But do you know what? It's so annoying because today is the first day it's been like sunshine.
It's like nice outside.
Normally, if you live in the UK, you already know it's always raining.
It's always miserable.
Yeah.
And then today we originally planned, didn't we? We originally planned just to do absolutely nothing and just spend all day watching films. But then because it's so nice outside, it's sort of, our spirit's been lifted a little bit, so we wanted to do something
Productive.
Yeah.
Production. Whoa.
Well,
that trampoline is at some point going to come in our garden.
oh yeah, our neighbour's trampoline just
free trampoline for us
all the way around.
No, basically we've never vlogged in here because it's kind of a little bit of a room we don't really ever use. It's just a sort of
Hogwarts room.
It is Hogwarts room and small Mickey Mouse and Goofy at Hogwarts.
Yeah, this is just like our little.
This is our like
office.
No, this
space.
is like. Do you know what this is? This is like our collection room. All of
yeah,
our,
basically.
Because I've got all my Disney stuff in here. You've got like your cool stuff, like your stickers and your vibes. Never come in here. Like, well, you do more than I do.
I use this room much more than you do.
Yeah, but I want to use it more. So
yeah. So
today,
this is the reason we're doing this video.
Yeah, because
what we're doing in this video is so that George gets some more use out of this.
This is like really old, like I think it's Victorian even. So it's had a little bit, you can see it's got a little bit of a, you know.
It's a little dusty.
She's a little bit rustic at the moment. So I thought, I want to vinyl this up with some marble and try and make it a little bit more modern because at the moment she's a little dusty.
I can see myself in the mirror just looking
Hi,
at
Dan.
the camera.
Hi, Dan.
Hello.
Hello, Dan.
But we did have this stuff.
Which it would have been better lengthwise.
Yeah, but George, last time she used it, cut it all out and it was just really weird.
It's like this.
And it's not quite long enough now.
I used it to do a mirror, so I'm going to keep this because I can find things to marble. The whole house will be marbled at some point.
I went to just Hobbycraft just to buy this one. I think it's just the right length.
Literally perfect. Look.
Just about
the thing
fits.
is though, we need to make it drop down this edge, so we need to bring it forward and then just sort of figure out the back.
We might be able to, if we just blow dry it, you know, like not blow dry, if you hair dry it, you can heat it up, can't you, and stretch it. That's what I think people do normally. They sort of stretch it. But, so yeah, in today's video we are going to be DIYing George's desk.
Yeah, first of very many DIYs.
Yeah, basically. So now we need to just sort of...
And I want to make it cuter because this side is like really girly and then this side is like really Disney, and I kind of want it just to sort of flow. And this is just in here to make it smell nice at the moment.
Yeah, this is one I call this the onion. Is it even on now?
I turned it off.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Because it was like getting on my nerves.
And you just put little stuff in there and it smells really good.
I'm trying to cheer us up and have some Christmas in a bottle.
Yeah. Fun fact, this little sand thing, we got together, didn't we? And then like a week later I went on holiday for 2 weeks to Egypt with my family. So I got that back. I brought that back from George. That's all made out of sand and somehow it still stayed all together.
I have a confession to make.
What?
You bought me a little camel that came with it and...
You broke the camel.
We're vlogging!
Do you want to move your delicate things?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to touch those, because I don't want to break
Do you want
them.
to have a lightsaber war?
Yeah. Jab. Jab.
Oh!
I win.
I grabbed your lightsaber, I would have literally burnt my hand.
I can trust myself moving these.
You can move the teddy bears. My delicate rules. ASMR.
I dropped my biscuit in here. All of it.
Wow, it looks like the room's like clear already.
It actually does. Whoa, why does it look so bare?
I know, it looks sad. Perfumes?
Didn't really. Whoa, I forget how heavy this
Yeah,
thing
you have to put it on right, basically, those salt lamps You have to put them on every so often because we didn't, and it actually leaked water all over our
Like
side.
left a stain, didn't it?
Yeah, because it absorbs water.
Yeah.
Like moisture from
When you
the air.
feel it on the, it's like, it's really weird. It's,
You have to dust it down, but I'm
like
really
nothing
lazy and I don't do it.
I don't want to touch that.
Why?
I don't know.
Is it because it's old?
It just weirds me out a little bit.
Why?
I don't know.
Is it because it's second hand?
I don't know. It just weirds me out a little bit.
Do you not like it? Are you scared of it?
No, I like it. I like to look at it. I don't want to touch it though. I'm excited. I want to do stuff.
Dan's scared of touching this, but I think it's super cute. Look, it's so cute. It's Cinderella, and I think I bought it from charity shop, and I thought, oh, it's so cute. It's so old and like vintagey. So yeah, I still got the price tag. 99p, people. 99p.
Oh, it's actually just really clean. There's just like a little tiny little bit of surface dust on it.
Yeah. Today.
What?
Ah!
What you probably will need is some scissors.
Scissors.
I haven't actually shown you like what it is. It's just marble. Oh, our battery's dying.
Ah! Do you want to change
We've
up?
got marble. Right. BRB, battery change. Bye. We're back.
We're back.
New batteries in tail.
We're back.
So yeah, I was just showing you the what we're going for on top of George's disc. George's got a hairdryer.
Look, it's so cute. Obviously, it's like vintage looking because your girl loves some vintage.
Ooh. This is what it looked like before.
This is it before, you know, plain.
And this is what it should look like after.
Ooh.
It says measure and cut first, but I reckon we should just
But
start
it's,
sticking.
yeah, because it's like perfect.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Look, if I hold it this side.
Yeah, but I think if we just get the edge right this end, and then we can just sort of.
Yeah, and then just cut the edge off here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think it looks alright so far.
I think that looks pretty good. I mean, obviously with the fronts done as well.
I mean, there's a bit of a bubble here.
This is the scratch that Dan's done.
Yeah, I scratched it here.
I think it's looking okay. It's gonna go over mirror quite nice, I think.
Yeah. I mean, you've done a whole mirror of this, haven't you?
Yeah, I did it with this paper, but
Well, I haven't ever done anything with this.
it was difficult.
Should I just chop right there?
Yeah,
Like that? Or like that?
yeah, I don't know. Just go for it.
Tidy up.
You can go and do a little tidy.
Whoops.
Made this look really yellowy, so I will have to paint that.
I don't think it looks too bad. I think it looks good.
Do you think it looks better than before? That's
I think it looks loads better.
It looks more modern, doesn't it? Maybe like hot glue the bottom bits down because they're peeling up. But I don't think it's all that bad.
I think that looks good.
But if I paint in these bits, like a black or something, that might make them stand out.
Yeah, well, loads. That's what I'm saying. If you paint it first
And then hot
and
glue.
then glue.
Whoa, it looks cool. I think it definitely
it
looks
looks
better. Should we put it back and put some stuff on it to see what it looks like finished completely?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
And it's back decorated.
Oh, I know what's missing.
Boom.
My salt lamp.
Your salt lamp.
My salt lamp.
Oh, and the onion.
And the onion. No, the onion doesn't really live there. It's just there sometimes.
I don't know if it is called the onion. It's not called the onion.
No, it's called a diffuser.
Called diffuser.
I think
I just
the
always call
last,
it the onion.
it's obviously not finished.
Right.
It needs some paint on these bits, and I think definitely needs some handles.
I think if we get some like you said, nice little handles on there.
Like rose gold.
Yeah, and then paint these. I reckon if you paint this either rose gold or black, maybe in these bits, I think that'll look quite.
Like some rose gold like handles like that, you know?
Yeah, like the
actual
grabby ones.
I think that would make it look so much better.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, I'm impressed.
I am too.
I'm
I think we've done well. High five. Vlog mode on.
Oh, well done, baby.
I think we've done well.
Thanks for helping me.
No worries.
And
Thank you.
yeah, we'll maybe catch you up on the finishing, like when we finish putting the handles in and doing the outsides of it. But please help us with what you think would look good, because
Yeah, let us know what colours you think. Because I'm thinking rose gold and
I think
black.
rose gold would look good.
I think they're going to be the best two colours, don't you?
Yeah, definitely.
So
I'm excited to finish it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That's cool.
hope this gave you some inspiration. And
it's not all bad being at home.
no, it's not all bad. We're making the most of it, and my hands are so dry right now. Wait, we have a shout out.
Oh yeah.
Pause. So the shout out is for Vanessa.
Sorry for pronunciation. If
Yeah,
that's
we
wrong,
might
from
have
the
butchered
Philippines.
your surname, but from the Philippines. So hello from the Philippines. Wait.
This is via DM on Instagram as well. So.
Hello to the Philippines, not from the Philippines. We're not.
Yeah, we're not in the Philippines.
But hello, and thank you for watching our videos and DMing us. And
yeah, thank you.
if you want to shout out, oh,
sorry,
spooky.
you go.
If you want to shout out, comment down below or DM us.
As always, hit the like button, hit us up in the comments, especially let us know what colours you want, you think we should do with those. And then be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications on if you're new. Hit the bell. And we'll catch you in the next one.
What was that?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.